What's up, guys? Sam here, and I'll be doing the free video for Friday, October 11th, 2024. So, as usual, I just finished making the premium video for the folks in the central room, and we looked at a couple different things. We looked at the SPY, we looked at the DIA, we looked at the QQQ, we checked out interest rates, dollar, and VIX, and I'm going to boil it all down for you guys here on the YouTube. So, instead of showing you a conventional index, which I could show you the SPY, which has a daily squeeze and a max bull score, I could show you the QQQ, which has a daily squeeze plus a weekly squeeze. Not quite max bull, but strong bull. Or I could show you the DIA, the Dow, that has a daily squeeze plus max bull. I'm going to show you something that's off of the beaten path a little bit here. And this is the Mag 7 index. So I'm going to see if we can post the index itself in the video description below. So if you want this, just copy and paste that into your browser or into your platform. And let's dive in. So first things first, let's describe what is this. This is what I call the Mag 7 index. This is a combination of Apple, AMD, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, Nvidia, Tesla, and TSM. So combined, you have about $10 trillion worth of market cap represented here. When I show you this chart, understand that if this chart goes up, it basically takes everything with it. Now, there's ways that you can play the individual stocks that I just mentioned, or I think maybe just the easier, more direct play is to play it through the SPY or the QQQ. Frankly, even the DIA would work for this. So here's what's going on with this thing. The last time that you had a squeeze, well, I'll just circle it, right? And you can see here yourself. Since 2023, every squeeze on this weekly chart with an arrow corresponding below, there and there and there and here, every time there's a squeeze, this thing has gone higher, right? Also, not only is there a weekly squeeze with a very clean little green arrow there, but there's also a daily squeeze with many arrows below that. So the thought process is this chart can go up here and tag this level, which is right around 3 ATR, and if you do the math on it, it's roughly about 5%-ish to the upside here on this index. So what does that mean? It means that overall the market is very bullish, and if this signal that I'm showing you is true, and again I could show it to you in SPY, DIA, or QQQ, if this signal is true, that means that there's probably at least another 5% upside, which I think could get filled very quickly in something like the Qs or the SPY. My preference right now is actually something like the SPY or even the DIA over the QQQ, but in general, if this signal that I just finished showing you is true, it takes everything higher, roughly looking at about a 5% move to the upside based on this signal, and that would come in the SPY as well as in the QQQ. So I'll go ahead and wrap it there, guys. I just wanted to give you one big signal here. This is probably one of the biggest signals that I see that has allowed us to stay mostly on the right side of the trade in the room. And if you get what I'm putting down here, this is a very big weekly signal. I've been telling the folks in the central room that this rally probably ends with a blow off top, and now we actually have the seeds for that given this daily and weekly squeeze setting up on this chart. So let's see if maybe October can surprise to the upside, and then we'll check back our work on Friday. All right, guys. Thanks as always. Leave us a like before you go somewhere else on the YouTube. Leave us a comment if you feel like it, and I will catch you guys next Friday. Cheers. Hey traders, this is Sam with Simpler Trading. I want to thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you found the information in it helpful. If you did, leave us a like, leave us a comment. It really does help us out with the algorithm. And if you want to see us trade live with our own real money and be part of the community, come and check us out at simplertrading.com.